हम सब लोग गोल गोल हैं, शेख अपनी दे यूं न फेंक, अरे धमके दे माजरा है क्या, ये दुनिया गोल गोल है, हम सब लोग गोल गोल हैं। और बाबा जी बैठे थे अनशन में, पुलिस का डंडा बज गया तो मुद्दा गोल, तबेले में खेले हॉकी टीम, भैंस लगे मैदान में दनादन दे गोल गोल क्यों भाग रही, कौन सा रास्ता नाप रहे, ये दुनिया गोल गोल है, हम सब लोग गोल गोल हैं, ये दुनिया गोल गोल है. Here we had somebody, and all the credit goes to Sandeep, who believed in us and said, this is my story, this is how I want to tell it. I want you guys to see and decide what do you think about it and how do you want the story to be told from your perspective, what do you think about it. And that not only gave us a lot of confidence, a lot of creative freedom, but a lot of mobility in our thought processes of how we should go about treating different aspects of the film, and which actually meant how do we tell the story to the people. And I think we all managed to do something, the three of us managed to do something which we are very proud of.
See, our strength was we are from a rock band, but keeping the rock music, we also composed a lot of other style of music. We had a lot of softer part of the music. We had a lot of choir in the music. We had jugalbandi between Hindustani classical and Western classical violin also. A lot of blues, harp, a lot of slide. So it's a mixture of the music which we have created, hard-hitting, very rock music. We have very soft song which is sung by Shankar Mahadevan ji, and we have a very easy, cool song called Gold Song which is sung by Papon. Yeah, it's a very easy. Everybody can loves that song. I know that, you know.
I can safely say that we're very, very lucky to have this story as our debut into the silver screen, and that's it.
We're excited. We're very excited about this movie.
I just hope all you guys like it. You love the story. I hope you love the music. That's it. Peace out.
So I wanted to surround him with ace actors. So this was, you know, if I would shut my eyes and say for each role which is the actor I want, this is the list I wanted. And I feel there is a huge star in the film, that's Manjunath. And I feel that's the stardom of Manjunath, that from Seema to Divya to everyone else just wanted to be a part of this, just like these guys did. So pretty much it's my first choice, and obviously it was a pleasure to work with these people. You learn. Normally when fiction is incorporated, it is done for a couple of reasons. One is to get some commercial elements in the movie. So I already had commercial elements in my story to start with, because I have always feel that Manjunath was a commercial film hero in real life, the way he was. He was funny, he was a musician, he made mistakes. So everything which you find interesting on screen he already had. So I didn't have to include anything of that sort. So I didn't have to dramatize beyond what my facts told me. In fact, the style of the film it is, and these guys have done the background. It's not that we have tried to stress on any point too much in terms of the technicality also. So because we feel there's inherent drama in the scenes, we shot this in primarily UP, close to the places where the actual incidents have happened. We have also got official permission at IIM Lucknow to shoot. This is the first movie to be shot there. In fact, we shot it during their academic session while their classes were on, disturbing the students with full cooperation from them. And also in Lucknow, outside Lucknow, Lucknow to Lakhimpur belt. So I wanted to get that authentic look. So we have shot all of those places.